drive free traffic to your business and increase your brand awareness without spending years and years and years of building a following? Well, then you're in the right place. Hello, my beautiful people. How are you doing today? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to have you here with me. And today, I'm going to be talking all about what TikTok is, why you should be using TikTok to grow your business, and even some pretty awesome tips on what to post. Because, yeah, content. We need help. And if you feel like it, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, but only if you feel like it. Now let's get into the video. So TikTok, it's a video-heavy platform, and it has actually evolved from an app just for dancing teenagers to a full-fledged marketing machine for businesses. And the sad thing is, many business owners haven't taken the time to figure out how TikTok can work as a marketing tool. Maybe because they think that the platform only has a young user base. However, TikTok is attracting a wide range of people. In fact, nearly 38% of TikTok users in the US are over 30 years old. So if you're a business owner and you're wondering how you can use TikTok for your biz, I got you, baby. I got you.
I got you, fam!
If you guys want my ultimate guide on how to use and create videos on TikTok, feel free to check out this video right here that I will link down in the description below for you to go check out. So now let's jump in and talk about the actual reasons why TikTok is good for growing your business. I'm here to convince you, and don't forget to stay to the end where I'm going to give you some awesome tips on what to post on TikTok. Number one is you can link your socials like Instagram or YouTube and seamlessly drive traffic to those platforms. And what's really cool too is in your bio, you can also link your website, your online store, your blog, etc. Whatever you want to add into that bio, you can link it there for people to go and visit. If you want to learn what TikTok account to actually create, then feel free to check out this video right here. Again, it will be linked down in the description below. Number two, a better creative outlet. Who else here thinks that creating content, it can sometimes be a lot? If you're someone who creates content on a daily basis, let me know down in the comments below. Sometimes it can get boring and it can get tiring, and I think TikTok has done a really good job about creating an environment and a community that appreciates realness, authenticity, and you being you on the platform. TikTok likes and celebrates people for being themselves. It's more lighthearted and can actually be a platform that is more fun to create content on because you can just be yourself and you're not so worried about creating that perfect video or that perfect image like you may be when creating stuff on YouTube or Instagram. Number three is a powerful in-app video editor to make your content fun and engaging. And I know if you're just new onto TikTok, learning a new editing software, it's not really a software, but learning a new editing style, it can be a lot and make you want to say, ugh. But I promise you, it's really not that hard, and it's really easy to make your videos fun and engaging because TikTok, it really is a place where those videos are super fun to watch. And I think that is so beneficial to so many businesses. It's time to stop creating boring content. It's time to start creating content that not only shows your personality, but the personality of your business. And I know that may sound a little weird, but people want to connect to you. They want to connect to your mission and the reason why you're doing that. And that also includes connecting to your business. And number four, it can be easier to get lots of views and grow your following. And I'm gonna say it, I believe you have a higher chance of going viral on TikTok in a shorter amount of time compared to other platforms. Now, I could try and talk to you guys all about the algorithm and give you the secret sauce to going viral on TikTok, but the thing is, there isn't one. The algorithm of TikTok is kind of quirky and no one really knows exactly how it works. So it's important to remember when you get on TikTok and you're working to grow your business, your growth may be faster or slower compared to other people, but don't beat yourself up over it. And in fact, I would say spend your time and energy focusing on your content and not the numbers. Now, I would say that posting consistently on TikTok is important. It is important that you're showing up on the platform, you're engaging with the people who are engaging with with you, but also the quality is really important. And we kind of get into this battle of quality over quantity, but what I mean by quality is no, you don't necessarily have to film your TikToks on a high resolution camera to go viral on TikTok or to do well or blow up your business, because there are plenty of videos on TikTok that have gone viral with just an iPhone, the lighting's kind of crappy, but the most important thing with the quality, it's the truest form of you showing up on the platform. And it's been seen that TikTok rewards content creators for original content. So it may not be the most glamorous or perfect looking content, but it's content that is true to the creator, and there was some thought put behind it, and it's entertaining. Now, let's get into some tips. Felt a little weird saying that. Not gonna lie. Number one is create a bio that not only tells people what you're about, but what your business is about. And remember, TikTok is chill, so you don't have to be as serious. And also, I will admit, you do have to be a little creative because your bio, you're not given that many characters to type something out. So you gotta be creative in what you say because it can't be very long. Hey friends, Future Kyla here, and I was editing this video and I realized since I'm talking all about TikTok bios, I wanted to show you how to actually add a bio for your TikTok. So what you're gonna do is go ahead and open the TikTok app, and down in the bottom right hand corner you're gonna see a little person that says me. Click on that and that's gonna open up your TikTok personal profile. And once that's open, go ahead and click on the edit profile button. You can scroll down just a tiny bit and you'll see a little place that says bio. And if you click on that, that's where you can go and add your bio in on TikTok. And as you can see, you're only allowed 80 characters, which isn't a lot. So you gotta be creative of how you say things, but that's where you go and add your bio. Okay. Let's continue on with the video. You can also use your bio to encourage a certain type of action, such as joining your email list or subscribing to your YouTube channel. But essentially, use your bio as a call to action to encourage your followers to engage with you further than just your TikTok content or your profile on TikTok. Number two is create engaging content. Just like here on YouTube, your content on TikTok should focus on audience retention. And the funny thing is, the longest your video can be on TikTok is 60 seconds. And you may think, oh, it can't be that hard to keep people watching a minute-long video, but people's attention span on TikTok is so quick. Like 3 seconds or less, if they're not intrigued by your video, they're scrolling to watch something else.
I may talk, squirrel.
And so you have to be able to engage people and hook them onto your video. Yes, even to watch a minute-long video, but if you can focus on creating engaging content, then no matter who you are or what your business is, you'll be able to grow faster on TikTok, because TikTok pushes out your video to more people if they see that lots of people are staying on and watching your video. Tip number three, and this one may be a little weird when it comes to, figuring out what you're going to actually post on TikTok, but get on TikTok. If you use the platform as an observer for a week or two, you'll be able to get a feel really quickly for how things work down on TikTok lane. I'm sorry, that was weird. I promise I won't say that again. In normal, non-weird people terms, you'll be able to get a feel for how things work on TikTok. This will make things so much easier when you're using the platform as a marketing channel, but also by spending just 10 minutes a day on TikTok, you're gonna get a real feel and a good understanding of what the trends are. And that segues perfectly into my last tip, which is tip number 4. Discover what the trends are and then find a way to make those trends relatable to your brand. Things are constantly changing and evolving on TikTok, and so in order to stay up with that and in order to be knowledgeable about what the trends are and what you're going to use to promote your business, because if you hop onto those trends and you're using that trendy music or those dances or whatever you can find to make relatable to your business, you have a higher chance of going viral. And that's why I recommend spending at least 10 minutes a day on TikTok. So what I do is I actually set myself a timer for 10 minutes, because if I don't, I will be scrolling on TikTok for hours. In fact, the average TikTok user spends at least an hour on TikTok every day, which is good for you because that means lots of people are on the platform looking for content to watch. But as a content creator, get on there and figure out what the trends are and then make that trend relatable to your business or brand, and that will give you a higher chance of that video doing really well and pushing a lot of free traffic to you and your business. Woo woo! That was so good. So there you guys go. I hope you can see now how beneficial TikTok can be for your business. And my biggest piece of advice right now is to just go and start creating content. Yeah, it may not be amazing, but you'll get better as you go. If you guys loved this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps support my channel so much, and I would greatly appreciate it. I love you guys. Thank you for spending your time here with me today, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes.